chocolates. Chocolates may be a delicious treat, but behind their rich taste lies a fascinating blend of mathematical principles. From the precise measurements in recipes to the geometric shapes of chocolate bars, math ensures consistency, quality, and efficiency in chocolate production. Let's explore the role of math in chocolates. Chocolates use math in measurements and proportions. Chocolate making involves precise ratios of ingredients, such as cocoa solids, sugar, and milk. Incorrect proportions can affect the texture, flavor, and consistency of the final product. Temperature control and crystallization. The tempering process, which involves heating and cooling chocolate, follows specific temperature ranges. Mathematical calculations ensure the right temperature is maintained for the proper formation of stable cocoa butter crystals, leading to a smooth and glossy texture. Geometric shapes and molding. Chocolate bars and pralines come in various geometric shapes, including squares, rectangles, and hexagons. Understanding area and volume helps in designing molds that maximize production while minimizing waste. Packaging and distribution. Math helps in optimizing chocolate packaging by calculating the best way to arrange chocolates in boxes, ensuring they fit compactly while remaining visually appealing. This also applies to logistics, where calculations determine efficient storage and transportation. Nutritional calculations. The calorie content of chocolate is determined using mathematical formulas based on ingredient composition. These calculations help in portion control and ensure that nutritional labels accurately reflect the contents. Mathematical principles applied. Ratios and proportions ensure balanced ingredient mixing for perfect taste and texture. Temperature calculations maintain the stability and quality of chocolate. Geometry and volume measurements optimize chocolate molding and packaging. Efficiency and logistics calculations improve storage and transportation. Nutritional mathematics determine calorie content and portion sizes. From crafting the perfect chocolate bar to packaging and distribution, mathematics is the hidden ingredient that ensures chocolates are consistently delicious and efficiently produced.